Today I'm just taking an exploratory journey along Clarence Drive. At least Clarence Drive is starting to look a little bit better. More stone pines over there giving us shade when you come for coffee. Those are the trees that give you the pine nuts. Delicious. Looking along the roadside here, the rock walls that the masons have put together there, we really love that. It's utilization of local resources without having to bring in bricks and concrete. It's much nicer using the sandstone, Table Mountain sandstone that we enjoy seeing. When you look over the edge there, you realize how much backup and support had to be built into the substrate below there just to give this wall its stability. So we appreciate that work. A little bit of welcome relief from the sunshine, perhaps under these stone pines. If anyone's wondering about pines, what are they doing here? Well, they're non-invasive. They're not going to be a long-term problem. When they die, they're taken away. But at the moment, they are not seeding in any threatening way. And a little further on towards the Royal side, you can see what work goes into this kind of construction. I don't do construction, but I can see it's enormous work that has been accomplished over here. Look at that. And all of that since a devastating flooding rainstorm and rainy weather last season. And I think it was September last year. I wasn't in the country at the time, but it seems that South African roads, particularly in the Cape Town area, is working. Look at all the rocks that came down and literally destroyed the road just by sheer volume of mass there. Nice little Morris there. Minor Morris trying to look like a major. I'm impressed. As a professional tour guide, I can really appreciate how critically essential this road maintenance and restoration has been and is for future. I mean, look at this truck just coming past now. It's a major tourist arterial from the Hermanus side through to Cape Town City and the Cape Town Airport. So very important that this is maintained here. Take a look down there. That's what you do not see when you're driving past at 60 km an hour. I hope you're not exceeding the speed limit along here. Drive carefully. It is dangerous, but look what they're accomplishing down there. What a pleasant job. With a view like that, I'd stay there all day, quite happily. The staff are quite friendly. Shall I say the workmen are really friendly. There's one posing for the camera. Let's just walk hastily towards the end there. I want to stay out of the traffic if it perchance comes around the corner. However, as you look straight ahead there, you can see the rubble. That's not just rubble, that's stones and some wire. Oh, there's hung clip in the distance. Beautiful walk, I must say. Thoroughly enjoying the weather now as well, as we're approaching summer again very shortly. Looking forward to all the spring flowers in the mountain again. But this backfill that I called it, and the wires for making gabions. Yeah, the gabions act like stabilizers for the mountain and look like walls. They're very attractive, so you'll enjoy that once it's done.